Hi guys, so in this video we're going to prepare for our next couple of videos to create our login UI. So for that we need to add some packages. So let's go on ahead and open our browser. Let's maximize this. We can go on ahead on our pub.dev. And then here we can search for a country picker package. This one here. Let's minimize this for a bit. Can go on and close that. We click on this one here. We can go on installation, and then copy this package, and then come back to our application, pubs.yaml file. Down here below our shared preferences, we can paste it, and then go back to our browser. Let's now search for the pinput package. This one, we click on this one. We go in our installation. Let's copy this, and then we go back to our application, paste it out, go back to our browser, and then let's search for a rounded button. This one right here. It's a rounded loading button. We click on installation. We can copy this and then go back to our application, paste that here. Once we get these three packages, we can click on a pub get. Okay, that is done. We can close this one out, then we can just ignore here. Here the next thing is we want to add our assets. So up here we can right click and then create a new directory, name it assets, and then if we can either right click and open in Explorer, or I can just minimize all this, and then here on my desktop I have a folder where I've got my assets. In here I just want to use this one, and this one. I'm holding out Control, then right click and copy, go back to my project here, and then in this new folder that I've created, I'm going to right click and then paste this one out, then click OK, and then we have our assets inside our project, so we can close them out. To be able to use these assets, I'm going to go back to pub.yaml file, and then here where there is assets, I can uncomment this and move it so that it aligns with everything else with this material design. And then I'll also uncomment this, then move this to, should be direct below that second S. And then I'm going to rename this to assets, and then inside assets maybe I must create a new folder. Let's go back to inside assets here, and then right click, then new directory, and then let's name this as images. Because later on we can put something else in there. So let's just hold this and move it on top there. Let's refactor. We can do the same with this one. Factor, we can do the same one, refactor. So our images are inside assets and then inside images. We will also do the same here. After calling these assets, we'll also go to our images and put the slash. Let's run the pub.get once more. Okay, so now we have our packages and we have added the assets. We are ready to continue to start building our registration screen and the UI for our registration. I'm going to end this video right here, and then we'll continue in the next video by creating our UI for creating the user.